still on the matter on Street Towns on Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, channel 195, make you not touch the die. I was telling matter as just make I enter street today, make I ask one funny question. And the question be say, if you there now you see a ball for road, and you see a ball, they put everything, all the garnish things and every other thing, all those akamu, everything, they just arrange on top of the ball. They can put $100,000 inside that ball. My brother, you go come out the $100,000. You go come out. All right, still on the matter. Whether you go collect the money or you go leave the $100,000. How you go do?
I don't carry the money finish.
I know the fear the
that airport, I fit carry the airport safe.
You chop and join.
We chop everything, join am.
Collect the
$100K, I don't carry am.
$100,000.
So I say I don't carry am. Believe me honestly. If airport did down say, they say make I chop am.
People the way they see them be like airport.
Myself, I don't chop airport tire. My guy.
Ah, Allah.
$100.
May the best. All right, if now you go.
Ebo,
Come on.
if Ebo, if I can eat Ebo, I will eat Ebo finish. I will lick the plate. And that money, hey, I don't go. I don't go with the money.
Nigeria the best. Nigeria the best. Oh boy, you can never get respect for Juju again.
Juju don't catch anybody for Nigeria again. If Juju catch anybody don't go.
Brass, now you go.
Well. Me go be able myself go. Now you know say Babalawo go don dey wear coat, they don dey suit, so everybody wan upgrade now. If I see that kind one more level, I don upgrade now.
All right, still on the matter, Street Towns on Wazobia TV. Back it there, still on the matter. Back it. Good afternoon, sir. Let's talk to you, sir. All right, this is Wazobia TV. All right, sir. As you dey waka now, as you dey waka for road now, you just see all this Ontop Sacrifice and everything. They come put $100,000 inside.
Okay.
You go carry on.
I will just say blood of Jesus and take it away.
I'll take the.
Yes.
Take the Ontop.
I will take it.
All right, still on the matter. Street Towns. Back at that, Nigerians say best. That is best. Still on the matter. All right, make I go meet our madam. They went there. Good afternoon. Wazobia TV. How far I talk now? All right, Blai say she no fit dey talk come outside. She gets mouth problem and we go solve that mouth problem very soon. My guy, how far are you there?
I did gentle
If you dey
now.
waka for road now, you just see like all this sacrifice yam for road.
Yeah.
All this airport, you know airport now.
Yeah.
They come put $100,000 inside.
Yes.
You go collect the money.
I'll told you I'll carry the money. Now too now Lagos we dey.
All right, still on the matter, Street Towns. I need to ask a lady. You know, I need to ask somebody, a woman. Maybe say yes. I know say, Madam, good afternoon, man. Wazobia TV. Good afternoon, Wazobia TV. Mama, you don't want to answer me? Answer me now. I want to talk to you. As you dey waka for road now,
I'm going house.
I don't say they go house. You can see sacrifice. They can put
I
100.
don't buy finish you.
Okay. Be like say she don't understand me. Be like say na wrong person I go meet. Make I meet this lady when they sell fish. Yeah, go talk for that today. Never say anything. Madam, come go today. How far now? Oh, they share. How far are you there?
I'm okay.
No saw the waka see na shakara you dey do. You know, women they too like shakara. Waiting. As you dey waka now, for road, if you just see like something like sacrifice, airport, you know all this airport now. You just see am for road, they come put $100,000 inside the airport. You go collect the money.
No.
Why?
Because no be for me now. I go pick money inside sacrifice, make I disappear.
You know if it disappear now.
No.
You don't believe in God.
I believe, but it's not for me.
It's not for you. $100,000.
I won't.
Why?
Why would I pick money inside there?
Speak peace, you know what? I never
How
tell you
would they pick money inside sacrifice where they do keep? I don't fit. People, the Bible say, give to Susan what belongs to Susan. give to Satan what belongs to Satan. So that thing no be for Christians. So I no
Okay,
fit.
madam, may I give an example? Shebi they import all this your stockfish.
Yes.
As you come back now, as they bring and come, you see $100,000 inside.
I will take that one.
Only.
Because I buy it with my money.
Only.
You see difference from your question.
All right, still on the matter, straight hands on Wazobia TV. My friend, how you doing now?
I no sabi English o.
Eh?
I no sabi English.
You know, I speak the one you sabi.
Salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé wọ́n rán yín sí mi ní àbẹ́yìn lè rán ara yín wá?
Gbogbo àlọ́ rán wa sí àwa.
Kí ló fẹ́lẹ̀ kí lè
Okay,
fẹ́
wetin
bá
dey there be say yes, if you dey waka now sacrifice, you see ẹbọ, àwọn ẹbọ, ṣé bá ti rí ẹbọ báyìí tí wọ́n bá fi $100,000 sínú ẹbọ yẹn, ṣé ẹ máa mú $100,000 yẹn?
Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́ mi ò mú mùkúmù láyé mi kò ṣẹlẹ̀ rí ìdé ìṣí kò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ mi ò lè múrú ẹ̀ kí wọ́n lọ deku àbí kí n lọ dajá Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́ màá sádànù ni o màá yá dànù kò ní dúró.
All right, still on the matter, straight hands on Wazobia TV. Yeah, you say no go collect, you know that kind of thing. And not be everybody they like her, not be everybody they like her, you know that kind of thing. Who I go meet again? Make I meet this fine lady. Madam, good afternoon. How you doing now? Wazobia TV.
Yeah,
Where you dey come from now?
I'm coming from Akute,
From where?
Ogun State.
Ogun State.
Yeah,
And there you come now.
yeah,
From Ogun State, you come buy things for you.
yeah.
Okay, the guy say things dey cheap well for Oyinbo market. Wow, this is wonderful. What of as you dey come from Ogun State? You come see, you know all this ebo?
Yeah.
Eh?
No, I don't know about.
Ebo, all this sacrifice, they
Okay,
put for road.
okay, yeah,
Then they come put $100,000 inside the sacrifice. Carries everything, blood, everything. They come put $100 there. You go collect the $100.
I will collect some.
Sharply.
I will collect
Their
some.
father go punish them.
I will go to punish some.
You collect am, abi?
I will collect am sharp sharp.
Mama, you go collect am. Mama, you go collect
I collect am o because I need money.
money.
Yay! Who juju? I collect am quick. Hey, you no know me.
All right, so no matter street yards, everybody they provoke for this Oyinbo market. All right, madam, if na you come,
Abeg.
this one no fit pick am because this one wey dey dodge camera so. Madam, madam, how far now? All right, now all those people when they like money, they like camera. Now all these people they make Oyibo people they call us like say. Now that they make Oyibo they call us say we be mumuso. I show a camera in they do like this. All right, still on the straight hands. If na me sha, I'll collect her sha. I'll collect her. Madam, how much for this your crayfish? Who they sell am? How much? This one come 2.5. Hold on. No one cheap for you. Where 200 now? Now 200 now at the fine. Look for 200 for me. Do for me now. Yeah? Yeah, madam, I come before you do, I'm coming ask you one question. You not go answer me now. I not go buy again. No. Come on, this woman must answer me today. Yeah, do now. Yeah. Madam, as you dey waka for road, if you dey waka for road, as you dey ask you fit put mouth put. Dey waka for road, they come see all this sacrifice. They come put $100 inside. All this sacrifice, all of them. Put that. You go collect the $100.
Lie, I no go collect.
Why?
Because I dey work.
But nothing dey there.
No, I no fit work. I no fit carry it. I no fit carry it because I dey work my work.
Bros, if na you, okay.
Even na me I go pick am. Wetin receive me I go pick am. Before nko, I must pick am now.
All right, still on the matter. You don't wrap up. Well, if you dey watch me live, now like this, I tell they wrap up the program now because some people say they go pick her, while some people say they not go pick. Some people say they'll pick her. Now how's that man? Tie him. Hope that thing complete to madam. It's not cheap. And they advertise your program for TV, so they will find you come on Oyinbo market too. na just simple question, simple question. Simple question, you no go take your time. As you dey now, if you dey waka for you just see sacrifice. All this sacrifice, you know ebo now. You don't know all the sacrifice, all this babalawo they do put for road. They come put $100,000 inside. What you go do?
I go take it now.
You take the $100,000. Bad guy, give me a five. All right, you're still on the street here on Wazobia TV. Now like this, I want to wrap up the show today. My name is MC Shaggy. If you watch me live, channel 195, make you not touch the die. If you touch the die, if you touch am, not what I go do, but wait for the next program. I don't go, I want to collect my crayfish. All right. So I don't go. If you see they there, they wait for me. Not concern me, I don't go.